Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Install Resource 1028 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. I've linked the primary utility for Install Resource 1028 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Install Resource 1028, a localized resource module containing the localized UI strings, icons, and menu layouts for traditional Chinese, LCID 1028, usually extracted during the initialization phase of a localized Visual C++ or Microsoft installer. If missing, the installer will display broken or blank UI elements. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If the host software cannot locate Install Resource 1028 DLL, it indicates a corruption in the localized setup resources, traditional Chinese subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Install Resource 1028. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Manual intervention with Install Resource 1028 DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Install Resource 1028 and system libraries. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Install Resource 1028 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.